आवाजको जादु छुट्टै भो जो बल्ले पिरातीको कथा लेख्ने भो आँखाको गहिराईमा माया जुन तारा साँचेर यो मनै तिम्रो भो जुन तारा
Hello and namaste, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is DIIPA Gurung and I'm a makeup artist and I love doing bridal makeup. This look is highly requested by all of my Nepalese viewers, followers, subscribers. So this is for you guys. On Nepalese Bridal, they have a lot of gold jewelries. Need to wear a lot of gold jewelries. I don't know why, and it's looking very yellow. Not really my personal preference, but this is for the video, so I really hope you guys like it. And I don't have a lehenga for the bridal makeup, but I do have a sari, so I'm wearing that. This is my favorite color. It's purple and orange, makes your skin look really bright. So this is a sari I chose for this makeup look, but this makeup look goes on very well with all kinds of saris. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching and get ready to see me with no makeup. So this is me with no makeup, and right now I don't have anything on my skin. We are first going to start with skincare, because before you apply any makeup on your skin, no matter it's for bridal or for everyday makeup look, you need to do your skincare routine first. I have just washed my face with my regular cleanser. Now I'm going to exfoliate my skin. I think it is best if you exfoliate your skin before you do your makeup, especially if it's for a special occasion like this. And I am going to be using my Laneige Clear Sea peeling mask, and this is kind of like a scrub, but it's like a peeling mask as well. So I'm going to take this much and apply it on my face, and I'm going to start exfoliating my skin in circular motion like that. You can wet your face before you exfoliate your skin, but because this is kind of like a mask, so I am not wetting my face. What I'm doing is I'm applying the product in circular motion all over my face like so. I'm going to leave it on for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to rinse it with water. I have just rinsed my face, and now I'm going to pat dry with a tissue paper. And as you can see, my skin looks so much brighter and more healthier and smoother. So that's why you need to exfoliate your skin before you put on your makeup, because your makeup goes on very smooth if you exfoliate your skin before you apply your makeup. And now it's time for toner. For toner, I am using my aloe vera soothing gel mist. I'm using it on a cotton pad like that. You can spray it on your face like that too. Feels very relaxing. But you can just use your cotton pad like this too. I like to do both because I'm extra. And after toning, I'm going to be using my eye cream. This is the Time Freeze Eye Serum from Laneige. I'm going to take that amount, apply it under my eyes, on my lid as well, and then just massage the product all over my eye area. And now it's time for moisturizer. For moisturizer, I'm using my Moistful Collagen Essence from Etude House. I'm going to apply it all over my skin like so. And before you put makeup on, you need to make sure that your skin is very well hydrated. And now I'm going to use primer. For primer, I'm using my Kiko Milano's Flash Moisturizing Water Cream. This is a hydrating primer, and I love this. It smells so good. I love this primer because this is so hydrating. I don't really use makeup primer, but I love to use a hydrating primer that gives a lot of water to your skin, because your foundation goes on really smoothly when you have a hydrating primer. So I'm gonna take that and apply it all over my skin. It instantly hydrates your skin, so I really love this product. And you also need to make sure that you exfoliate your lips. I exfoliated my lips yesterday. I do it every other day. And before you put your makeup on, you need to make sure that you apply a lip balm. And for lip balm, I'm using my Blistex lip balm. This is my favorite. This is not just a lip balm, this is a healing lip balm. It heals your lips, moisturizes your lips, and it's good for any kind of wounds that you have as well. So I love this lip balm. And now our skin is very well prepped for the makeup. I'm first going to be doing my eye makeup because our eye makeup is going to be a little bit heavier. Now I'm going to be applying foundation on my forehead and my eye area because I'm going to be doing my eye makeup first, and this is going to be a heavy makeup, so I might have some fallouts. That's why I'm not doing my lower face. And for foundation, I'm going to be mixing these two colors. This is the Maybelline Matte Poreless foundation. It's a Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid foundation. This is in NC20, and this is 110 porcelain. So I'm going to be mixing these two colors, and I think I'm going to get a perfect match. I'm mixing equal parts of the foundation. I'm just mixing it on the back of my hand, like so. I'm going to take my wet beauty blender sponge and I'm going to blend the product all over my skin like so. And I know my foundation is looking a little bit lighter, but if you compare it to my neck, then it looks fine. Now I'm going to set my forehead, my eye area with powder. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. I'm going to take a large powder brush and take some product, tap off the excess, press in the powder like so, and just buff it in. For my brows, I'm using my Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefit. I'm going to brush my hair with a spoolie, and I'm going to draw in my eyebrows because I don't have eyebrows. Well, I do have some eyebrow now. It's much better because I did eyebrow tattoo, but my eyebrow tattoo is not really nice, so there's no point. I wasted my time and my money on eyebrow tattoo, and I didn't like it. My brows are now done, and it's time to do my eye makeup, which is the most fun part. And for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Morphe 35K palette. So the first color is going to be a light brown color. I'm going to be applying it on my eyelid like so. Now I'm going to take an angled fluffy brush like this, and I'm going to take a darker color and apply it on my crease to darken the outer corner. And now I'm going to take this ColourPop eyeshadow. This is in the number 5M02. I'm going to take the color with my finger. I'm going to place it in the middle of my eyelid. And now I'm going to take this BBA eyeshadow pigment in number 4 and apply it right on top. And now I'm going to take a pencil brush. I'm going to take a dark brown color. I'm going to blend the color in together. And now I'm going to line the inner rims of my eyes with a waterproof black pencil liner. I'm also going to tightline the top waterline. And now I'm going to line my eyes. I'm going to give myself a nice wing. Finally, it's time to wipe off this crazy fallout. I'm wiping off everything under here that's not looking nice. And I'm going to moisturize. I'm going to let that dry. And I'm going to be applying some eye cream. And while I'm waiting, I'm going to apply some inner corner highlight with this pencil brush. For that, I always like to use my Fenty Beauty highlighter right in the inner corner like that. My camera battery just died, and while I was waiting, I went ahead and applied my false lashes. These are from Huda Beauty. This is the Scarlet, which is my #1 favorite. I always use this because this is so natural looking, and I really like the shape of these eyelashes. And I also darkened my eyebrows. I draw in some hair-like strokes in the front. Oh, and if you have redness like me, I had a pimple a few days ago. I'm going to be using a yellow corrector from MAC. This is what it looks like. It's an orange color on the other hand. I'm going to take my beauty blender and then blend it out. I'm now going to blend the foundation into my skin. When it comes to foundation, I always like to make sure that it's not too cakey because our eye makeup is so dramatic. I don't like to make the face too cakey because I want this to look as natural as possible but really glam look. Now I'm going to apply my concealer. I'm going to be using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm going to conceal my eye bag. I don't have a lot of dark circle, but I do have eye bag, so I need to kind of brighten that. Now I'm going to take my powder, and with the same Beauty Blender sponge, I'm going to set my under eye. And I'm not really baking, but I'm pressing the powder onto my concealer, like really pressing it in so that it doesn't crease. When you press the powder like this, it's going to lock anything that's underneath. And when I'm done with pressing the powder onto my skin, I like to use a round big brush and just very gently buff the powder into my skin even more. And now it's time to contour. And for contour, I am going to be using my powder contour because I like powder contour. This is from Anastasia, and this is the powder contour kit. And this is what I'm using. I'm going to be a little bit harder on the contouring because this is a bridal makeup look, and the contouring needs to be a little bit, you know, harsher than usual. And doing the same on the other side. And now that I'm done with contouring, it's time for blush. And for blush, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics. This is the Duo Cheek color. It's in the color Honolulu Hideaway. And I'm going to place it this is very pigmented. I'm going to place it right on top of the contouring. Ooh, that's beautiful. It's a beautiful pinkish kind of blush. Ooh, this color is so pigmented. And now it's time for highlighter. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. blush brush, but I like to use it for highlight because it's bigger and it gives a more diffused kind of highlight, not too sharp kind of highlight. And that's it for the cheek highlight. Blending with my finger. Going to add just a tiny bit on the tip as well, not too much, just a tiny line like that. I'm also going to highlight my cupid's bow. Also going to add some on my chin. Can't really see, but I think I'm finally done with my face. Now time for lips. For lips, I'm going to be using two different colors. This is from NYX. This is the NYX Soft Matte Cream Lip Cream. This is called Canis, and the other one is not really a favorite color, but I like this color. It's called Istanbul. So first I'm going to apply this color. I know I can use a red lipstick for this, but I don't really feel like red lips look good on me, so I'm going to use this color. Although for bridal look, I think red lips look really nice, but for me it has to be a nude color, a rosy nude color. Now I'm going to take the lighter color. I'm going to apply it in the center. I'm going to apply a lip gloss on top because I like a glossy lip. I think I'm done with my makeup. Now I'm going to set my face with my MAC Fix Plus. And now finally that my makeup is done, I'm going to get ready.